My name is Leong Changyue, and today I'm going to present about the automations lab 1, task 2, which is the excavator task. So this is the circuit that we built, and we got a hydraulic pump to supply the pressure fluid of the system, control valve for the direction of the flow and hydraulic fuel to different ejectors, and the hydraulic cylinders convert the hydraulic energy into a linear mechanism motions for dyeing, lifting, and movement. So for the hydraulic reservoir, stores the hydraulic fuel, and hydraulic hose and pipe to transfer the fuel between components, a pressure refuse valve to prevent the system overload and release excess pressures, and filters to keep the hydraulic fuel clean to avoid some contaminations and damage. So this circuit, and for the simulation for the excavator when swinging, we have one direction buff here, and this is the motion of swinging to left to right, and then the excavator will swing left or right. So to other next is the bomb, which is movement is up and down, and then the arm will extend and retrace, and the lastly is the bucket, which is retracts for maybe some doing some digging or some lifting. So that's all from me, and